It's been a long time. I feel like I miss you guys so much, so I'm happy to be back. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you don't know yet, it's me, your girl Jenny Fine. And if this is your first time of coming across my channel or not, you are welcome, darling. Please come in to watch this tutorial and don't forget to subscribe before you go, okay? For today's video, I feel like being creative. I would just feel like being simple or this why or don't want to even do anything, but I want to be bold out there. So ends this video. This video is a makeup transformation video, so I'm gonna be creating eye look, which I was inspired by the Cardi B and Megan Thee Stallion a new music video. If you haven't watched it yet, it's called WAP, W-A-P. The look inspired by that video, but there's a point where Cardi B was matching with the room tiger in the room and everything. I'm gonna insert a picture for you to see. And also there was a point where Megan was also matching with the room background and with the tiger as well. So I'm gonna be doing Megan's part because Megan's part was white tiger with black stripe. So I kind of feel like I think I'm gonna look good doing that. So ends this makeup transformation. So yeah, then we'll come back and do our makeup as normal. I don't want to talk through this video just because it's gonna take a while. So I just want you guys to enjoy this process without me interrupting the video. And I'm just gonna play some music so you guys enjoy. And then I'm gonna zoom into my eyes so you can see the eye look process all together. Okay, bye.
I got trapped in your eyes the moment you looked at me. From across the room, those eyes kept following me. Something popped in my brain, now baby, only you I see. Feels like I'm going insane and only you can save me. Feels like I'm drowning in ocean's blue. Baby, come on, baby, baby, come on, let's go. I'm losing control over lights in the space. Keep jumping around, all I see is your face. But you're moving closer, no time to escape. Your hand on my shoulder shoots me into space. And I can't deny how badly I need you now. 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 Something that I'll enjoy. Move a little bit closer now to some place where there ain't no crowds. I wanna get to know you right here and now. I got trapped in your touch the moment you took my hand. Led me all the way to the ocean sand. You told me don't worry as the moonlight gled. I pulled you in close, so whispered I'm not scared. I'm losing control, the lights in the space. Keep jumping around, all I see is your face. But you're moving closer, no time to escape. Your hand on my shoulder shoots me into space. And I can't deny how badly I need you now. 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 I got trapped in your eyes the moment you looked at me. From across the room, those eyes kept following me. save me. Feels like I'm drowning in ocean's blue. Baby, come on, baby, baby, come on, let's go. I'm losing control of the lights in the space. Keep jumping around, all I see is your face. But you're moving closer, no time to escape. Your hand on my shoulder shoots me into space. And I can't deny how badly I need you now. 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 You take away my breath now, boy. Don't you dare steal my heart now, boy. I know you're something that I'll enjoy. Move a little bit closer now, to some place where there ain't no crowds. I wanna get to know you right here and now. I got trapped in your touch the moment you took my hand. Led me all the way to the ocean sand. You told me don't worry as the moonlight gled. I pulled you in close, so whispered I'm not scared. I'm losing control of the lights in this space. Keep jumping around, all I see is your face. But you're moving closer, no time to escape. Your hand on my shoulder shoots me into space. And I can't deny.
Hey guys, welcome back. As you can see, this is the finished look we went for our WAP inspired eye look. Again, I'm gonna insert the picture right here so you see what I was trying to go for. I was trying to go for a white and black striped tiger high look, and I managed to get this top to fit in the eyes as well. Yeah, because this is from Pretty Little 10. It's a long sleeve blouse, you know, flares and whatever, but this is like a snake print. Yeah, so I decided to go with a nude lip because the highs is already pronounced, it's already out there, and going for a matte bold lipstick is not gonna do us favor. And on my under eye, I decided to go with pink. I don't know why. If you look closely, there's a pink on my under eye, and that's why I pair it with a pink earring. I just want to put this there, but it might not go with the look. It may go with the look, but I love this. I don't know, I really like it. It's just like when I was doing it, it was like, oh, what is this? What are you doing? And realizing this is the finished look, I kind of like, I'm impressed with the outcome. I may or may not go hard with this because it's really bold, and I do probably gonna have a lot of attention where the white beats it. The white liner will crack a bit. Not everyone tends to go hard this bold, you know. So yeah, this is a bit different. And our lash, ooh, shout out to Valerie, shout out to Rainy, you know, for watching my video and constantly leaving comment. I hope I am not putting pressure on you guys to leave comment for me, but don't worry, my next video is gonna be your Q&A. I'm so excited to film that, and I'm so excited to, you know, answer some of your questions. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, or this video helped you in any way. This is just a bit of playful makeup look, you know, trying new things, coming outside the box, or you know, try to be creative and frisky with our makeup. Is this look. Maybe next time I may do something different. Who knows? I don't know. So guys, if you are here and you still haven't subscribed to this channel, please can you kindly subscribe to this channel before you go, like really please. And guys, if you haven't, like, to thumbs up this video if you like it. If you don't like it but still thumbs it up, you know, it will go a long way for this video. Don't forget to leave your comment below on your thoughts, and let's talk about it. And if you haven't, click on that notification bell icon, click on it so you get daily alert or whenever I upload any video. And on today guys, I will catch you in my next video. Hopefully it's makeup review, who knows, you know. Ooh. Ooh. Ciao. Peace out. I love this biscuit so much. This is cocoa wafer biscuit. So yummy. I enjoy this look. Sophisticated, difficult, but nice as well. You know. Today's a bit emotional for me because today is the final day funeral of my dad, and I'm filming this look just because to distract me from crying all day. But I'm watching the funeral online, not online, but like video call. But this is a bit of a distraction for me, in it, because as I'm talking, I feel like tears is kind of running down my eyes, and I don't want it to ruin my makeup, but it's a bit emotional for me.